So hello again people, Chris again, and today we're out on a little recce. We're not camping this weekend, but we're having a little recce about. We came here last week, done a camp in those woods up there, but what we're interested in is them cliffs over there. So we're going to go and have a look around, see if any potential camping spots. With Stewie 18, the drone pilot, and we've got Tree Climber Cartel Gary, so yeah, look him up on Instagram. Oh yeah, we're going to have a little trek around and up there, and hopefully there's some cows over in the other field. Hopefully we'll go and see them later. So yeah, I love cows. Right, we're going to go up this hill again. Oh yeah, let's see what we can find. Come with us. Got some cute overload here, but it's Cow's Bottoms at the moment. Hello Cow's Bottoms. Hello girls. You coming over? Well, thank you very much, and I love you too as well. You good gal. Excellent. See you later, darling. You're beautiful. We've got some nice views already. Lovely. Well, nice. Very nice. Right. Let's go and find some cliffs. Cliff Richard. Take a look at her hair, it's real, and if you don't believe what I say, just feel. Oh, make sure. Oh, interesting. Right, let's go up in. Hey? Little baby birds. We'll leave them. Let's go. And there's the mighty Medway over there, and the Medway Bridge. Wow, what a view from up here. You can walk around that fence. You can walk around that fence, or you can go up there. That's got to be the cliffs, isn't it? Or is this one of the holes?
I think that's one of the bowls, look, it goes
yeah.
right in the bowl, doesn't it?
So up there's the cliffs. Let's go that way. I'm just about to see some cliffs up there through the trees. So we're going to head up that way. Let's get up there. That's going to be a view and a half. Right, that hill's a killer, but he's just got a little excited up there, Stuart. Apparently there's a view. I've not seen it yet. I'm just about to see it. Oh man, you're having a giraffe. You're having a bubble. Oh my God. You're having a bubble. Oh, hellos. The big Thames. Oh, I ain't got my breath back yet. Oh my God. Oh my God. I thought he was going to see for 7 miles up there, you're seeing for 15 miles probably. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Look at the Medway. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. Wow. Right, this is where we're having lunch, people. We're having lunch up here. How cool is that? Hey. Anyone brought a hang glider with him? Wow. It's a long way down. Right, lunchtime. I think we've earned it. Need a drink. I thought we'd come for a little picnic on the cliff, so I bought a pasty. Gary's cooking up sausage curry. This is amazing. I'm going to come back here for a camp. Watch this channel. Oh yeah. So the Hover Air X1 is not meant to be flown off tops of cliffs and stuff, but I've sort of done it. I was a little bit unbrave, but yeah, I've done the 50-foot up one. So yeah, hope you enjoyed a bit of footage. Yeah, it's amazing up here. Nice place to have lunch. Definitely, there's more cliffs down there. It's amazing. Who'd have thought you'd have cliffs in the middle of fucking fields? Nice. Yeah. So about 10 foot that way, massive drop down at the bottom. So we're going to go down there shortly, go back down there, back down the path, and then into that field there, where that path is, and then we're going to have a look at the cliffs from below. There's more cliffs in there, there might be even caves, you never know. This looks like a little camping area, and then the evening seating area. Looks good, looks very good. Yeah, excellent. Let's go and look for some camping spots. Alright people, let's have a look down in here. This is going to be the camping area by the look of it. Oh yeah, there's the road coming up that we came up. Looks like nobody's been up there for ages and ages. Oh, there's a pheasant feeder. And somebody's built a little shack, a little lean-to. It's a pheasant feed. Yeah, leave no trace, people, come on. They've had a fire there, so there's a little camping area here. Probably wouldn't use it though. Just string a hammock up down here somewhere, and then that's the cliff there for the evening. There's the boys up on the cliff there. Yeah, another little area around here. Tree there, tree there. Take that dead standing up. Yeah, nice ground, no mud. And then you're surrounded by trees and bushes and scrub. But you can't get through there, look. Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is a good camping spot. It's a long walk up, so not many people come up here, I shouldn't think. Yeah, this is quality. It's a good little place, and that's it really. Just a little round circle thing, round, nice and dry. Nice bits of wood. We have a nice fire here. No one's going to see it. Obviously, we'd leave no trace. I'm going to make the fire safe on this ground. It's very dry. Nice moss though. Yeah, probably lay some rocks down first. Get it up off the ground a bit. Yeah, happy days. Or stick toes. Yeah. There's plenty of birch bark. Birch, dead birch there. We could harvest. Yeah, it's amazing. Are you scared, Gary?
At this height I am.
Yeah, you do look very high up there. And I don't mean in a good way. This is cool. Right. Let's carry on exploring. Just to remind people, on my last video 3 or 4 days ago, I was out with East Anglia Bushcraft. I'm giving away a £100 head torch and LED lenser. All you've got to do is go on that video, watch any bit of the video, and just, you don't even have to be a subscriber, and just put in hashtag LED lenser, LENSER. It's all the instructions are on there to win the head torch. It's going to be pulling it out in about a week's time. So when I'm at another camp, I'll pull the head torch out. Okay then people, so yeah, on my other video in the Woodlands, you'll see on there is a £100 head torch giveaway. Just go on there, hashtag LED lenser. It's not sponsored or anything, I've been given them by a subscriber, so I'm giving back to the community and I'm giving one away. Okay, so yeah, see you all in a bit people. I'm going to have another look round, see what I can find. This would have probably been the old road up to the quarry. So yeah, we reckon this has been quarried for the chalk. Yeah, this is cool. No one's been up here for a while. Nice. Right people, this should be the bottom. Yeah, this is the bottom of the cliff round here. Let's go and have a butcher's. Over forward. Someone's chair. Let's go and have a look at this cliff. Cliff Richard. Spliff Stitchard. Smelly Pilchard. Oh blimey, look at that. Now if I'd have known it was cracked like that, boys, I wouldn't have sat on it. Do you reckon that's where it was?
Yeah.
Blimey. That's scary. Let's go through it, see if we can get closer. There we go. A little camp, maybe. Some brickworks here. This is the woods that keeps on giving. No? Is it good? Hey? Oh wow. That's a long way down there as well. No, because we have to climb back up the blasted thing again. Looks like there's a farmer's field there anyway. Wow. Yeah, oh, we have to go that way. Right. Go back this way. Yeah, interesting little place. Lots of flowers. Doesn't look like many people come here. Some of the birch has been cut down for saw. Maybe the landowner's done it just to stop them falling on people. Because it's all birch. That's cool. Very nice little area. Very sure. There's a building, boys. Look. Oh my god. There's a building. Hope there's no one in it. Oh my god. Anybody home? Wow. It had a steel door on it originally. Concrete roof. Whoa. Wow. Hey. Look at this, eh? What do you know, Watchman's hut or something? It's a bit armoured though. Then again, if you're at the bottom of the cliff, you want something with a good roof on it. Oh, it could be anything, couldn't it? How cool is that? There's no telegraph poles on it. I believe I found a building. Brilliant. Let's carry on looking. Oh yes. Right, and there's the main gate out. Right. Let's go. And by the way, we don't break in. We walked in around the side of this. We just walked in. We don't break anything, we leave no trace, and we don't damage property. For the camera. It's been broken for ages. Right, cool. Right people, thanks for coming along today. That was a really good recce to do. Got a bit of chalk all over us, a bit of dirt, but hey, a bit of dirt don't hurt no one, does it? Yeah, so we're definitely going to come back here soon and do some stealth camping. Oh yes, we definitely are. So, right, see you all soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.